Alright, let's talk about something that can seriously level up your Android experience. Private DNS mode. If you've ever worried about your privacy online, or you just want your browsing to be a little faster and more secure, this is for you. So, what exactly is Private DNS? Basically, every time you visit a website, your phone has to look up where that site lives on the internet. Normally, that info goes through your internet provider, and honestly, it's not always private or secure. Private DNS encrypts those lookups, keeping your browsing history away from prying eyes. Your ISP hackers snoopy folks on public Wi-Fi. Plus, it can help you dodge some annoying ads and trackers. Nice bonus, right? Alright, here's how to turn it on. First, unlock your Android phone and head to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Network and Internet. Now, look for Private DNS. Depending on your phone, it might be hiding under Advanced. Tap on it, and you'll see three options. Off Automatic Private DNS Provider Hostname. Here's where the magic happens. Tap on Private DNS Provider Hostname. You'll need to enter a DNS provider that supports encryption. A popular choice is Cloudflare, so just type in 11111. That's it. Just those numbers with dots in between. Or if you want to use Google's, enter dns.google. Once you've typed it in, hit Save or OK. You're done. From now on, your DNS requests are encrypted. You probably won't notice anything different, but behind the scenes, your data is way more secure. Now a quick note, not every Wi-Fi network will play nice with Private DNS. If you run into connection issues, just switch back to automatic or off in the same menu. But for most people, it works flawlessly. So that's it. A super simple change that gives you more privacy, better security, and maybe even a little speed boost. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Catch you in the next one.